Welcome to 10 Skills Africa. So in today's video, we're going to answer the question of this our fellow. He says how you can make the thumbnail. How you can make the thumbnail. So it is very easy. That's my reply. So and this is the video I'm going to do. So if you have not subscribed to 10 Skills Africa, please help us to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that when I release a video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. So today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create this catchy thumbnail just using your smartphone. So the software we're going to be using ChatGPT here to create it and give him some prompts. So this is what we're going to do now. This is a prompt we're going to give the AI. So when you copy it like this, you're going to copy it, then we'll get over to our ChatGPT. We're going to paste it like this. So when we paste it like this, we'll now go back. There's a video I want to change the thumbnail. This is the video. I want to change the thumbnail. So when I click on like this, I copy it. So I'll go back to ChatGPT and I'll highlight this like this. Control A, Control right click, sorry. I'll now click on paste. So I'll now change this to 26. So now, before then, you're going to click on this plus icon. When you click on this plus icon, click on create image. So now, what this means is going to tell ChatGPT what exactly he's going to focus on. So now let's click on generate. So now we'll see what it's going to start generating. So as you can see, if it show you this like this, you just know that it's creating the thumbnail for you. Then before it finish creating, let's go back and let's go to Canva. We'll click on Canva. So when we click on Canva, let's allow it to load. I'll click on Canva. So our Canva has load. So now you are going to resize it to fit the normal size of YouTube thumbnail. So ChatGPT is not going to give you that particular size that I actually need for the thumbnail. So you have to use Canva to resize it so that it's going to fit that particular YouTube thumbnail. So my network is kind of sluggish here because I'm doing this video this morning. So let's wait for my Canva to load, then we can continue. So as you can see, it's still generating it. It's still generating. Let's see how it's going to bring out the thumbnail. So as you can see now, here is it. When you load into your Canva, initially it's going to be on design. Whether you're using the pro version of Canva or you're using the free version, it's okay. So what you're going to type here, you're going to type YouTube thumbnail. We're going to type YouTube thumbnail, so it will be more easier for us. So YouTube thumbnail. Look at it here. So click on it. It's going to bring a different design on thumbnail. So as you can see, different thumbnail as you're seeing here. So now our concern is not this because a lot of people are using this because I'm using the pro version. So when I click on this, I'm going to click on create blank. Yeah, I'm going to click on create blank, which is okay. So now what you're going to do now, let's go back to our ChatGPT and see. Wow, can you see it? It's just marvelous. This thumbnail is excellent. So what you're going to do, going to click on this. Yeah, click on it. So it's going to download it. Then so we can upload it to our our Canva and edit it. So as you can see, if you have a good network, as you can see, it's downloaded, it's finished downloading. Then we'll go back to Canva. So we'll upload it here. So now before then, let's create a YouTube thumbnail for this particular video I'm doing now, and so you can see how it works. So there is a catchy create me a YouTube thumbnail. I want it to be catchy. I want text to be bold and a person reacting. Okay, let's remove text bold. Yes. Okay, let's put let me use and also also if the title is not shorten it to be more attractive and active. So what we'll do now, we're going to I'm just going to create a random name. I'm not doing my AP research. I'll just put how I create how I create my YouTube YouTube thumbnail. Let me just copy it. I don't want the video to be long. Let me just copy it. paste it in like this. I'll create my YouTube thumbnail with you're going to put ChatGPT so that you will get ranked. Like when anyone chat type ChatGPT, your own is going to be available. So how I created my YouTube thumbnail with ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on next. So we're going to see how it's going to create the low this thing for this particular video that we're doing, and I'm going to upload it. So let's check. Okay, so now that's come. Let's click on this upload here. So the upload button is going to appear. You're going to upload that particular image you have downloaded already, and we're going to see how you can adjust it to fit, how you can collaborate it, how you can design it, how you can make it sharp and look very good. So now let's click on this upload here. Yeah, look at it here. Click on this. Click on this. So it's going to load. So as you can see, that's an upload. Click on like something like this. You now click on set as image background, as you can see. So now if you notice his head here is not full, the kind of want this to be in the middle. You now double tap it like this. You now drag it down until it fits. You now click on done. As you can see, it has fit very, very, very well. So now let's check the one I created for this video now. Can you see it? Can you see it? Same character, despite I've removed that character inside of it, but it still show. So I'm going to click on download. So it's going to automatically download this. Then I can also show you how we can edit it. So now what we can do now, when you click on it, you see this bar called edit here. Click on this edit. If you have a good network, it's going. I'm facing network difficulty this morning. So go to adjust. When you go to adjust now, you increase the brightness small. Increase the brightness more. Then the contrast too should be increased. The contrast too should be increased. Yes, increase the contrast to 10. Then you go down to shape. Go down to shape. Click on shape here like this. Sharpness. Make the sharpness 15. Clarity just small. Clarity just small. I think that's all. No, I think we need to bring back the very good contrast. As you can see, it's changing. Let's change. Let's see this black. But maybe if you see the reactions, you can see it. So let's take it. Let the side be more black. Then we increase. Let's increase the shape as see. See, you can increase the shape like this. You can bring it, come back. Sharpness, sorry, you can increase the sharpness like this. You can bring it, come back, depending on what you want. As you can see, depending on actually what you want. So it depends on actually what you want. So me, I don't actually need any of them here. The only thing I need, I think, is this one here and the sharpness, a little bit sharpness. Then I will go back here. There are a lot here. I think my network is kind of bad, that's why they don't appear here. But as you can see, it's okay, it's catchy. So let's click on add page. So I want to let's upload. I'm offline. So now I'm back. So click on upload. I'm going to upload the one I just did now, so you can see what I'm actually doing here. So the same process, you just click on it, it appear, right click, go to set as image background. Make sure you watch the video to the end. Drag it down like this, click on OK. See, that's all. So now it's automatically fits the YouTube thumbnail. So when you upload this, so we're going to download this and upload it to that particular video I just created. So when you click on share, then allow it to load. Click on share. uh my network is kind of bad this morning. So click on download here. So before you download, I'm using the pro version. I'm going to select current page and I'm going to go for JPG. I'm going to increase the quality. So after I'm done that, I'm going to wait for this, all this correction that I've made, I'm going to wait for this button to just himself ahead. So I can click on download now. As you can see, it's downloading. Likewise, this, as you can see. So you can do whatever you want to do. You can use for mobile phone, you can use Lightroom to do your editing and the rest. So now I'm going to upload this particular thumbnail so you can see. So what I say here now, let's scroll down. So now we're going to change the thumbnail. So we're going to upload that first thumbnail, that particular first thumbnail, this one, and you can see the error that is showing. You see it more than 2 MB because of so let's click the one we downloaded now. This one. Let's load it. As you can see, it's uploading. Now it has fit the size of this particular. So when you click on save, as you can see our thumbnail. Let's go back to our content and see. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. As you can see, it's already changed. It has already changed. That's already changed. So that's it for today's video. If you have any video you want me to talk about or to do for you guys, just comment it below and I'm going to make sure that I do that video for you guys. Thank you and see you in the next video.